Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tria Devanda and I'm from Management Class 24C. Today, I'm going to present a topic titled Understanding Law and Business Law. In this session, we'll learn about what law is, its function and purpose, and how it is applied in business activity. I believe this topic is very important because as future business people, we must understand the legal rules that apply so that our business can run safely, honestly, and in accordance with the law. Definition of law. When we talk about law, basically it is a set of rules created to regulate human life so that everything runs in an orderly and fair manner. Law is binding, meaning everyone must obey. If someone violates it, there will be consequences such as fines, imprisonment, or administrative punishment, depending on the type of violation. Law also plays an important role in providing certainty. For example, when there is an agreement, law ensures that both parties will fulfill their commitments. With law, social and economic life would be unstable because everyone could act as they wish without clear boundaries. Next, purpose and function of law. Law exists not only to punish but also to protect. Its main purpose are to maintain peace and uphold justice or society. It also provides certainty so we understanding the consequence of every action we take. Another important function is to protect our rights and obligations. For instance, law protects our right to own property and also protects us from fraud or unfair action by others. Law also serves as a guide for behavior, helping every citizen understand their limits in social life. Next, sources and types of law. Law also has its sources and types. The sources of law are the foundation from which regulations are formed, such as legislation, custom, court decision, or jurisprudence, or international treaties. As for types, law can be divided into public and private law. Public law regulates the relationship between the state and its citizens, such as criminal law or constitutional law. Meanwhile, private law governs relationships between individuals, such as civil law and business law. Business law is part of private law because it deals with agreement and relationship between business actors. Next, definition of business law. Now, let's move on to the main topic, business law. In simple terms, business law is a set of rules that regulates all economic or business activities, from production and distribution to consumption. Business law does only regulate business owners, but also their relationship with the government, investor, employees, and customer. Its goal is to ensure that all parties involved in economic activities act fairly, transparently, and with mutual respect for each other's rights and obligations. Next, scope of business law. The scope of business law is quite broad. First, it regulates contract or business agreement, for example, cooperation between two companies. Second, it covers business entities such as limited liability companies, partnership, or firms, each of which has different legal foundation. Third, it includes consumer protection, ensure that consumers are not harmed. Next, it governs investment and trade, including capital flow and import-export regulation. And lastly, it includes taxation and labor law, because paying tax is an obligation for every business owner, and the relationship between companies and employees must be fair according to the law. Next, application of business law in the real life. In real life, business law can be seen in many situations. For example, when two companies sign a partnership agreement that's governed by contract law, or when an employee works for a company, that relationship is protected by labor law. In addition, business owners must have legal business permits and pay tax according to regulation. Even copyright and trademark protection are part of business law because they protect product or creation from being copied by others. So, we can say that almost every economic activity is related to the law. Next, benefit of understanding business law. As future entrepreneur, understanding business law every beneficial. First, it helps you know the rules of the game so we can avoid legal mistakes. Second, it helps prevent conflict, for example, by knowing how to create proper contact we can minimize risks. In addition, complying with the law increases trust and professionalism because partner and customer will see our business are transparent and reliable. In the end, law helps business run smoothly, safely, and sustainable. Next, challenge in business law enforcement. However, everything business law still face challenge. Many business people lack legal awareness, which often leads to violations such as data manipulation or breach of contract. Moreover, the legal process in Indonesia can still be slow, causing business dispute resolution to take a long time. Another challenge is the rapid change of regulation, which requires business to constantly adapt. Therefore, business actors must always stay informed and up to date. Therefore, business actors must always stay informed and updated about the latest legal development. To conclude, friends, Lieutenant law plays a very important role in life, especially in the world of business. Law is not only about punishment, but also about protection for business owners, employees, and customers. Through business law, every party can engage in transaction safely, fairly, and transparently. So, if we want to build a strong and trustworthy business, obeying the law is the first essential step. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.